In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an oil pressure switch on your Honda Accord. This will be located on the passenger side of the motor, right above the oil filter housing. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the connector for the oil pressure switch. Using a 22mm wrench, we're going to loosen the oil pressure switch. Remove the oil pressure switch. Before installing the sensor, apply a small dab of thread sealer, very small amount. Any extra, and it can get into the oil passages. We'll clean off our extra. I'm going to wipe away the little bit of oil. Install my oil pressure switch. Torque the sensor to 13 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.